Hello everyone and welcome back to my YouTube channel. And for today's video, I'm going to share with you one of the products that I have used, which is the TONYMOLY Super Peeling Liquid. Okay, so I know there is a TONYMOLY branch in SM North, but galing ako doon before. It was 5 years ago, I think. So hindi ko alam kung meron pa rin. But then this one, I actually ordered this from a friend who's actually traveling to Korea because not just traveling, having vacation there and going back and forth in Korea because her husband is a Korean. Yeah, I think. Yeah. So, means this item was directly from Korea. Okay? Sorry, but I forgot na how much I bought this product. Dalawa talaga to, so ginamit ko na isa kasi tagal na nito sa akin at hindi ko pa na-try. So, since naka-lockdown kami dito sa Mali City, sa Maldives, so naisipan ko na halongkat ko to sa aking luggage and naglipat din kami ng apartment. Ayun, nakita ko to, so I decided to use it na. At para ma-share ko na rin sa inyo yung feedback kung ano ba ang nangyari nung gumamit ako ng TONYMOLY Super Peeling Liquid. Since alam naman natin guys, most of us loves Korean product. Kasi nga they have, yung mga Koreans, they have a very, very nice complexion, skin complexion, yun. Maybe because of the skincare product that they're using, beauty products. So, today is 5th of June, but I have used this actually already last May 18th. Ang tagal na diba guys? And I was so excited to share this with you. Because actually, ang sabi dito, once na ginamit mo siya, magpipil siya in 4 to 5 days. So, yung 4th day, sabi ko parang hindi pa nagpipil, okay? But then, nung gabi, na-notice ko sa talampakan ko, meron na siyang peeling effect, okay? Anyway, I will be showing you the video nung naging yung before and after nung na-effect nitong TONYMOLY Super Peeling Liquid. And then, actually until now, nagpipil pa rin yung pa ako. But, yun nga, I was so excited na to share this video kasi ilang weeks na, more than 2 weeks na, di ba, na nagpipil pa rin siya. Pero, konti-konti na lang. And for that one, first yun nga, nung 4th day, akala ko hindi siya magpipil until may nakita ko sa talampakan, which is parang ilang spots lang ng peeling. Sabi ko, bakit ganun? Okay, let's see. Then kinabukasan, ay na nga, yung sa may gilid ng talampakan ko, sa paa ko, yan. Nag-start na siya mag-peel. Tapos sabi ko pa rin, OMG, bakit? Sa talampakan lang ba? Kasi yun lang ba yung nababad ng chemical or nung liquid nung time na binabad ko siya? Okay, until the next day, after a week, ayun, unti-unti na nagkakaroon ng peeling dun sa ibabaw ng paa ko. Okay? Pati dun sa singit-singit ng mga daliri. Yan. Tapos, so, I was so happy yun kasi akala ko nga hindi ko na ma-share sa inyo kasi. Pero anyway, sabi ko, kung fail man or success yung effect, share ko pa rin. So, ngayon, napaaga lang, though hindi pa completely na, totally na nag-peel na siya, sabi ko, share ko na sa inyo kasi nakita ko naman na yung effect niya, na effective siya, guys. So, matatanggal talaga yung mga dead skin. Siguro, it only takes, on my case, na more than 2 weeks na. Siguro kasi madaming dead skin yung pa ako.
So, panoodin nyo guys kung paano procedure na ginawa ko para kasi na siyang foot spa, ganyan. Tapos, ayun nga, ngayon, konting peeling na lang yung nangyayari sa pa ko. Okay? So,
ito yun siya guys, yung, ayan siya, made in Korea. Tapos, yung instruction niya, nandito nakasulat sa likod. Ito yung in Korean language. Ito naman in English. Okay? So, mamaya, gagawin natin yung instruction kung nakalagay sa kanya kung paano gamitin to. So, ayan siya, TONYMOLY. Hindi ko na alam kung meron dito sa SM kasi di ba may TONYMOLY sa SM. Nakakita ko ng TONYMOLY before. Matagal na, iwan ko kung hanggang ngayon meron pa sa SM North EDSA. Okay? So, tapos may kasama siyang ito, foot cream. And then ito, gagamitin natin to, pambalot ng paa. Okay? So, ayan, left and right foot. Okay? Ayan siya. Okay? So, guys, let's see. Try na natin. Okay, guys, pakita ko sa inyo yung paa ko. Okay? So, para makita natin kung talagang effective siya. Ayan, no? So, meron pa akong ayan, dry talaga siya. Ayan. Kasi napakatagal ng panahon na last akong nakapag-foot spa. Hindi ko matandaan. Tapos, tignan nyo, nakikita nyo ba yung dryness. Ayan. So, ayan siya. Kita nyo naman, di ba, ang dry. Mas lalo before, kasi ngayon, ano na tayo stay at home tayo, so hindi masyadong lalabas. So, mas lalo yung nakaraan na talagang araw-araw pumapasok, naglalakad. Mas dry yung time na yun. Guys, kita nyo, sobrang dry, di ba? Eh, kasi, syempre, para mabigyan natin ng justice kung talagang effective yung product na to. Okay? So, kailangan makita nyo yung before. Oh, di ba? Sobrang dry. Kung before, bago ako mag-apply ng product. Okay? Ito, kailangan natin itong buksan. Para itong medyas. Ayan. Okay, so dalawa siya. Yan. Okay. Ngayon, isusuot natin. Isusuot natin siya. Yan. Pagkasuot natin, nasuot na natin siya. Saan ang left? Ditong left, ditong right, diba? So, since nasuot na natin siya, ilagay natin itong ito, yung sa left. So, ito yung left, diba? Tapos ito naman sa right. So, dito na siya sa loob. Ngayon, kailangan natin i-wrap. We have to wait for 1.5 hours. Okay, guys?
1 hour later.
Okay, so guys, it's more than 1.5 hour na nga eh. Oh my gosh. Almost 2 hours na. So, babandawan ko na yung aking paa. Okay, so guys, tatanggalin natin siya. Tingnan natin. Medyo ano siya guys, meron na. Parang may nararamdaman naman akong mga magasgas. Okay. So, parang kakaiba yung amoy niya. Amoy, parang chemical ganun na kung masyadong mapaliwanag yung amoy, kung ang katulad. So, basa pa siya eh. Pero sabi kasi, makikita natin yung result. Magpipeel off siya in 4 to 6 days. Okay? So, let's see after 4 to 6 days. Pero ito, for the meantime, kailangan baliwan natin ng gusto yung paa natin hanggang ma-rinse off na yung ng gusto yung liquid na pinambabad natin. Okay?
1 week later. Weeks later.
pa ako. Kasi alam nyo guys, dito sa Male, yung capital city ng Maldives where I am working at the moment, lahat is walking distance. So, even when I'm going to office, current apartment namin, it was just like 3 minutes walk, guys. Okay? So, and even na makapaglalabas ka before nung hindi pa lockdown na we can just roam around Nali City. Okay? So, very, talaga, yung pa ako. So, definitely madaming dead skin na siya. And aside from that, hindi naman ako nakakapag-pa-foot spa kasi syempre medyo expensive din dito. So normally, I plan doing those things like foot spa, mga facial care, yung mga ganun, kapag nakakauwi ng Pinas kasi mas affordable naman sa Pinas yung mga ganun. Tapos diba, medyo expensive nga talaga dito. Ngayon, so taste na muna. Ayun nga, so yung since walking distance lahat yung pupuntahan mo dito if you're in Mali City, and even if you're working in the resort, definitely mas kawawa yung paa mo kasi sand ang lalakadan mo doon, tapos mainit. So talagang laging magda-dry yung feet mo. So I think this is best for us who's working in the resorts, who's working in a place where walking distance lang yung travel pag papasok ng office. So, syempre, we have to take good care of our feet na rin. So, and if you happen to drop by, or you can check also online if available yung product na to, then why not try? Okay? So, since now, meron tayong ECQ, GCQ, lockdown, quarantine, we cannot do like this our beauty regimen outside or in the salon. So, kasi siguro yung iba 'di ba sarado pa, then temporarily we can do it at the comfort of our house, and I think it would be more or less expensive. Okay, so guys, ayun lang, and thanks for staying with me until the end of this video, and thanks for watching. I hope nakapag-bigay ako sa inyo ng tips and nakatulong. So, if you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, please don't forget to subscribe. If you don't mind getting a notification as well, you can click that bell icon. So every time that I'll be uploading videos, you will be notified. Thanks for watching, guys, and always keep safe and always keep healthy, always boost your immune system, and take care and God bless. That's all for today, I think, guys, and thanks for watching again, and see you again. Bye!